Welcome to the ultimate guide on designing a beautifully practical, modern bedroom space. Start with a neutral color base, using bold contrasts like charcoal or black to ground the modern aesthetic. Choose a low-profile platform bed with clean lines to serve as the minimalist focal point of your room. Layer your lighting with sleek, modern fixtures, combining ambient, task, and accent lights for a warm mood. Maximize natural light with floor-to-ceiling windows and simple sheer curtains for a bright, airy feel. Integrate seamless, handleless built-in wardrobes to hide clutter and maintain a perfectly clean, modern look. Mix natural textures like warm wood, polished concrete, and soft linens to add depth to a minimalist space. Keep decor minimal. Use a single, oversized piece of abstract art to make a strong visual statement. Incorporate a sleek, floating desk to create a functional workspace that blends flawlessly with the room. Ground your space with wide plank hardwood floors and anchor the bed with a large, subtly textured area rug. Introduce large, structural indoor plants to bring vibrant life and an organic touch to your clean, modern aesthetic. Opt for floating nightstands with luxurious granite tops to maximize floor space and elevate the room's modern sophistication. Seamlessly integrate technology by using framed televisions and floating media consoles to hide cables and maintain clean lines. Anchor your bed with a generously sized, plush area rug to provide a soft landing and instant warmth to your modern room. Strategically place an oversized, minimalist floor mirror to bounce natural light around and instantly double your visual space. Carve out a functional reading nook with a classic leather lounge chair and a sleek granite side table for a private retreat. Embrace a calming monochromatic palette by layering different shades and textures of a single color to create a serene sanctuary. Draw the eye upward by incorporating warm wood paneling and hidden LED cove lighting into a modern architectural tray ceiling. Make a bold architectural statement with an expansive, custom upholstered headboard that integrates your nightstand seamlessly. Connect your sanctuary to the outdoors using expansive sliding glass doors that perfectly frame the beautiful natural landscape. Elevate your modern bedroom's ambiance at night by integrating warm, hidden LED lighting beneath floating furniture. Separate your ensuite with a fluted glass partition to let natural light flow while maintaining a sleek, modern, and open feel. Transform an empty corner with a bold statement armchair in a warm tone, contrasting beautifully against minimalist surroundings. Balance raw architectural textures, like white painted exposed brick with warm wood floors and refined, contemporary furnishings. Enhance a peaceful, modern sanctuary using large-scale, textured, low-contrast art that blends softly with your neutral palette. Create a profound sense of restful order in your modern bedroom by utilizing a meticulously structured, perfectly symmetrical layout. Embrace a cozy retreat by using deep, moody tones like charcoal and midnight blue, warmed perfectly with brushed brass lighting. Elevate luxury by integrating a sleek, contemporary ribbon fireplace set into a stunning, minimalist black granite accent wall. Maximize space and functionality with a sleek, custom-built minimalist window seat featuring hidden storage and comfortable cushions. Create a seamless transition from your sleeping area into a brilliantly lit, boutique-style open closet with custom wood shelving. Elevate your morning routine by integrating a bespoke coffee station featuring warm walnut wood and sleek black granite. Utilize vertical acoustic wood slat paneling behind the bed to introduce beautiful organic texture and ensure a quiet space. Frame a stunning, natural view with oversized windows using a minimalist interior to let the serene landscape take center stage. Integrate a sleek, floating vanity with a durable granite top and a beautifully backlit mirror for a flawless daily routine. Soften clean architectural lines by heavily layering plush, highly textured fabrics like velvet, chunky wool, and crisp cotton. Maximize space and fresh air by installing ultra-slim sliding glass doors that open up to a private, minimalist balcony. Anchor a bright, minimalist space with a single, powerful piece of dark, oversized abstract art to inject sophisticated drama. Use a floor-to-ceiling slatted wood divider to cleverly zone a large space without sacrificing the flow of beautiful natural light. Embrace true minimalism by hiding wires and using discreet, beautifully integrated smart home controls on sleek granite surfaces. Combine clean lines, hidden storage, rich textures, and abundant natural light to create your ultimate modern bedroom sanctuary.